Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. All right. In this video, I want to show you how to convert a base 10 number to a binary number or any other number base. Okay. All right. But here we're taking an example converting 13 base 10 to a number in base 2. Okay. And I also like to tell you that most times you could even see a base 10 number without any base written, and then you know that that number is in base 10. Okay. All right. So how do we convert a base 10 number to base 2, or how do we convert base 10 numbers to other bases? Okay. We're going to divide that base 10 number by the base we are converting to. In this case, we are converting to base 2. So we're going to divide repeatedly by 2. Taking note of the remainders. If you are converting to base 5, we divide that number repeatedly by base 5. By 5 rather. If you are converting to base 3, you divide that number repeatedly by 3. Alright? And then taking note of the remainder. So let's do that with this base 2 number since we are converting to 2. So we are dividing this number 13 by 2. So we divide 13 by 2. We know 13 divided by 2 is 6, remainder 1. Alright? Remember I said you take note of the remainders. That's where you pick your answer. So 2 again, 2 in 6 is 3, remainder 0. Right? Then 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. Then 2 in 1, how many 2's can we get in 1? Is 0, remainder 1. Alright? So 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. Okay? Okay, so 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. So we reduce everything until we get to 0. Alright? So how many 2's are there in 1? 0, remainder 1. Okay? And then we pick our answer from bottom up. Okay? So our answer to this will be 1101. So 1101 base 2. Okay? So 13 base 10 is 1101 base 2. Okay? So that's it. That's how to convert a number from base 10 to any other base. Okay? So you take that base, use that base number you're converting to divide the base 10 numbers repeatedly until you have 0, taking note of the remainders. And then when you're done, you've reduced the number to 0, then you pick the remainder from bottom up, and that gives you your answer. All right? So your turn, you're going to convert 42 base 10 to base 3. Okay? And let me have your answer in the comments. Thank you. Bye.